Finally had a perfect day for flying, beautiful and sunny, virtually no wind, so I headed off to a local beach. Unfortunately the tide was out, so lots and lots of rocks, but still a good place to check out from the sky. Kitted up one of my two remaining Speedy Bee kits, put it on the launch pad, ready to go, and the moment I took off I realised something was badly wrong. It faulted me getting in the air. I feel the centre of gravity moving. So I thought, well, to stabilise, I thought, well, I'll head for those rocks in the distance and get that far and turn around and see how it goes. So I've sped this up 6 times. As you can see, it's moving around a bit as it went. And as long as I kept it fairly steady, it was okay. But the first test would be what happened when I did the turnaround on the rocks. And turning gently wasn't too bad. It still felt horrible. You could feel that the rig wasn't stable. It's supposed to like flying a plane with a barrel rolling around inside. So I knew the landing was going to be rough, and sure enough it was. So down it came with a thump. Turns out it dislodged a wire, so it was a soldering job before we could fly again.
Ah, I see. Yeah, it needs a bit of Velcro on the head. This strap is sliding around a bit. Okay, so the problem was the strap was sliding along there. All I need to do is to put a little bit of Velcro on it, and it should be hunky-dory. Should be hunky-dory. Yep. That's the theory anyway. So this is the Velcro strip I've added to it since that flight where the strap was flopping around. And what goes underneath it and what was moving around is a camera pod, which is this. So I put one of my trusty Velcro, my GoPro 7s inside there behind a polychromatic neutral density filter, and just pop that on top, and then the whole thing just sits underneath the drone. And for some time on the back I've been using a little bit of Velcro in the middle there to hold it, so 3-point contact to make it good and secure. And I suddenly realised, I don't know why I didn't have a problem before, but realise now that the same sort of thing at the top. So it's got it's attached there, that side and that side, and as a result it can't go anywhere. I can flip with this. So it's an ungainly looking rig, but it's been very effective, giving me video quality that I'm happy with. And yeah, so live and learn. You just keep learning with this hobby. I mean, this is all a pretty dewy rig, but I'm happy with it. I could spend a lot more money, but I'm thinking, well, why bother if I'm happy with the results? To say the big move is going to Speedy Bee and coming to terms with Better Flight and LRS, fantastic reception there. I'm still using analog, inexpensive analog, which for the video, which gives me for the nose cam, which has been quite adequate. Though I think eventually I will move to some sort of open standard or widely adopted HD when it comes along. It shouldn't be too long. So that's the video for today, so bye for now, till next time.